Thai peanut sauce. Tonight we used the Skippy Natural Creamy. There's sugar in it. I usually don't use the sugar. We had 2 cans coconut milk, Dollar Tree. I paid $1. We have some Tamarini soy sauce. We'll use a half a cup of this. If you want it to flow faster, take out that thing that makes it flow slower. Oops, we got a little peanut butter on there. Because I'm making a large batch, we're not using fresh lime juice. We're using reconstituted. Another half. Well, it looks a little bit more. And then to balance it out, one of the ingredients you will find is lemongrass. I'm using lemongrass powder. I want to sprinkle it over the top. This is a 5 ounce. We'll probably use 2.5. Some may say that's a little excessive, but hey, it's the only reason we bought it. And then the other ingredient is honey. So add honey to taste. I got a couple other ingredients I'm going to throw in here. That's my secret. I was going to put this up 2 years ago. No. This is my secret. So we got to add honey to this. We added the lime, the soy. We got the gluten-free because I've had a couple requests to do gluten-free. 2 cans of milk, 2 pounds of that. Saved the jar that the peanut butter came in. Because when you're done, you're going to pour it into there. Throw that into the freezer and then throw it into your containers and use it as you need it. All right. Honey to taste. And next time you see this, I'll be done. And that is the consistency you want. Remember one thing, you don't want this super sweet. You just want a light hint of sweetness. That is how to make a Thai peanut sauce. Sorry, I can't tell you what all the other special ingredients are in here. But as you can see, it's not peanut butter anymore. It still sticks to the spoon like that. The extra ingredients thinned it up, so that's all I'll say. But research it, you'll find out. Perfect.